I think I'd like a new hairstyle. Any ideas? Say, do you have any ideas for a new hairstyle? Why don't you try a few different ones, and we will give you our opinion, okay? What should I try first? I like these bands. You can use them as armbands or in your hair. Nah, this is just too bland. What do you think about this? No? I think I should improve my hair also. How about adding some flowers? I love that idea. I'm not sure about this French twist. Time to ask my sister's opinion. So what do you think? Does this look say summer fun? Mike even made me a bracelet. So what do you think? Well, perhaps we should try something else. Now this looks exciting! I'll pull down part of my hair, install the hairpiece, and cover it with my hair. Install pins to make it all stay in place. Next, I make a small braid and attach it with more pins. How about this hairstyle? Wow, I do like the volume on top. Why don't you show us another style? What to do? I have just the thing. Let's make a braid with stars. I'm starting my braid from the top of the head. Then I bring it backwards and to the side. To give my braid more volume, I gently pull on it like this. There! Let's add some stars. I think this looks pretty awesome. We've decided to decorate our room with flowers. Do you like it? Now where did they go? So what do you think? Wow, your hairstyle looks great. You think so? Yes, this is my favorite. I love the braid, the gold stars, I love everything. What about you? For me, I think I prefer the previous hairstyle. I think I agree with my sister. But what do you think? Which hairstyle do you like the best? Let us know in the comments. Until next time! Being creative with our hair can be exciting and fun. Here are 8 hair hacks every girl should know. I feel like tying my hair up, but I can't find my bun shape or hair ring. Luckily, I know how to use a sock and get the same effect. Cut off the toe of the sock. Then I roll it into a bun. I tie my hair where I want my bun to be. I then roll my hair onto the sock. And voila! A perfect hair bun. How about adding a flower? Now it is perfect. Add some hairspray so the bun stays in place. You can also use bobby pins. Relaxing under a warm blanket feels so good when it's cold outside. Oh, looks like someone had a bad case of static hair. There is an easy hack for that. First, you need a brush and a dryer sheet. Pierce the dryer sheet through your brush. Now comb your hair. The dryer sheet will remove the static from your hair in 1, 2, 3. Good job! I'm trying to read, but my hair keeps getting in my face. I know, I'll tie up my hair with a clip. That should do it. Oof. The hair clip keeps slipping off my hair. I know what I'll do. I'll use my glue gun to add grip to my hair clip. Just add some glue to the teeth of your hair clip. Look, the clip stays on my hair. Now I can get back to my magazine. My friend thinks her hair looks flat on top. She decides to tease her hair to create some volume. However, teasing your hair with a brush or a comb can damage your hair. So, she uses a toothbrush instead. Just backcomb your hair and away you go. Targeted volume where you want it. I decided to put my hair in a ponytail, but it keeps falling and looking saggy. I wish I knew how to get a perfect ponytail. I asked my friend to help me. She knows a simple trick to take my hair to a new level. She sticks bobby pins vertically underneath my ponytail, through my hair tie. Wow, it works like magic! Did you wish you had longer, healthier looking hair? Blow dry your hair like a pro. Drying your hair upside down increases circulation to your scalp, which in return stimulates hair growth and healthy looking hair. Not to mention, gives you loads of volume. I can't wait to try this hack. My friend has just made a French braid on herself. Isn't it cute? But she thinks it's too small and would like some more volume. Luckily, I know how to do that. To make a French braid seem fuller, gently pull out each ends of the braid. There! Wow, an instantly larger and fuller looking braid. My friend approves. Making a braid requires separating your hair into 3 sections. But wait, my friend says she can make a braid using only 2 sections. How is that possible? I guess we will find out. She splits my hair in 2 parts, then makes a hole in one part and slides the other through the hole. Then repeat. Wow, it works! I am impressed. Cool, right? We all love our shoes, but that doesn't mean we don't walk into shoe problems now and then. Here are 8 easy shoe hacks that every girl should know. I can't wait to show off my new red shoes. My friend simply loves them and wants me to try them on. Oof, the shoes are a little too tight around my toes. I'm worried my feet will hurt if I wear them. But my wonderful friend knows a hack that will help me. Pour water into a Ziploc bag. Place the bag into the shoe. Make sure it fills up the shoe. Place the shoes into the freezer. Now wait. As water turns to ice, the water will expand, which will also expand your shoes. Remove the ice from the shoes. Wow, the shoe fits! I love my friend. My friends and I are hanging out on the couch. Suddenly, my friend takes off his shoes and leaves to get his phone. But wait, what is that scent? It's a case of bad-smelling shoes. Luckily, my friend has the solution: green tea. Simply put a few bags of green tea into the shoes. Now watch, I mean smell, as the tea overpowers the bad odor with delightful aromas. Good job! Plus, my friend seems to appreciate the new scent of his shoes too. My friend is going for a walk. Ugh, not in this weather. His shoes will be all wet. Luckily, he knows how to waterproof them. First, he rubs a wax candle all over his shoes. He then uses a hairdryer to melt the wax. It's a pretty clever idea. Soon the wax will bind with the fabric and voila, waterproof shoes. Now my friend can go dancing in the rain with dry feet. My friend got a blister from her brand new high heels. Oh no, nobody wants those. She needs to put on a band-aid to ease the pain. That's better. To avoid blisters in the future, rub antiperspirant on your feet. Having dry feet minimizes the chance of getting blisters. Oh, I better tell my friend about this hack. My friend is feeling a little down because his shoes aren't shiny. I wish I could help him, but I don't have any shoe shining products. Wait. We can use a banana instead. I cut the banana into 2 equal halves, but I don't peel it. I rub the banana onto my friend's shoes. It looks like he isn't totally convinced about this banana hack yet. I wipe off the excess banana with a paper towel. Look, beautiful, polished shoes. There is nothing better than making your friends happy. Let's face it, high heels does make a girl feel beautiful, but wearing them too long can be painful. I wore my high heels all weekend and now my feet are paying the price. Thankfully, my friend knows a hack that can help. She tells me to sit down and shows me a roll of tape. I'm not sure I understand what it is for. My friend tapes my 3rd and 4th toe together. Apparently, there is a nerve that sits between these 2 toes, and taping the toes together removes strain on the nerve, thus reducing pain. I am anxious to try it out. Wow, it does work! Dance floor, here I come! I want to practice my dance routine, but my shoes are too slippery. No matter what I do, I keep sliding. There has to be something I can do about this. But what? My friend is asking the Magic 8-Ball a secret question. She gets the answer she wants. I will hack my shoes with sandpaper to make them less slippery. Sand the sole of your shoe with sandpaper. Ideally, use a rough-grained sandpaper to make deeper rifts. Once you have sanded enough, the shoe should be less slippery. Let's try it out. It works! I can dance without sliding. Looks like my friend and I both got what we wanted. I just bought these gorgeous shoes online for a dance party, but they are just a little too small. Luckily, I know a hack to make shoes bigger, with socks and a hairdryer. Put on a pair of thick socks, then put on your shoes. This will stretch the shoes out, making them bigger in all the places your feet require. Heat the shoes with a hairdryer. Once the shoes have expanded, it's time to go dancing.